Mes élèves de français 1, bonjour. Comment allez-vous ce matin? I hope that you are going well and that you are ready for this wonderful day. J'espère que vous êtes prêts pour cette journée magnifique, ce mercredi. Alors, aujourd'hui, nous allons voir une autre façon d'utiliser le verbe aller. Donc, ce sera... We are going to see another way to use verbe aller. Donc, c'est aller plus l'infinitif. Alors, aller, when you use aller plus infinitif, in fact, it helps you to express something that you are going to do. So, and it calls the futur proche. Futur proche, that means next future. So something that you are going to do in a very short period of time. But it's relative. The period of time is relative, of course. It's not only a second, it can be a day or even a week or a little bit more, but something that you are going to do. Donc, je vous explique ce que c'est que le futur proche. So, how do you conjugate futur proche? So, futur proche is easy. It's the easiest tense ever. I can tell you. Very, very easy. The only thing you need to know is how to conjugate aller. Donc, comme je vous ai dit, aller plus infinitif. Infinitif, pardon. So, aller plus l'infinitif. So, let's give you an example. I hate when the computer is correcting me. I say infinitif. I know why. Okay. Aller plus infinitif. I give you an example. Je vais manger mon petit déjeuner. Pour ceux qui travaillent sur Word, you can always put there are shortcut for the accent. Okay. It doesn't take. Why it doesn't take it? Okay. Voilà. So, je vais manger mon petit déjeuner. You see that here you have je vais. So, this is the conjugation of le verbe aller with je. And here manger, you see that I kept manger at the infinitive. Hein? Manger ici at the infinitive. So, and let's writing it to another color. Let's say in blue. Okay? So that you'll see properly. Je vais manger mon petit déjeuner, meaning my breakfast. Okay? Je mets un point parce que c'est une phrase. So, je vais manger mon petit déjeuner. That means I'm going to eat my breakfast. So you see that when you say in English that you are going to eat your breakfast or you are going to do something, that means that the action is not done yet, but you intend to do that action. Correct? So, this is the use of aller plus infinitif. D'accord? You have a video to help you. Okay? Voilà. Donc, revenons à ce que vous avez à faire aujourd'hui. Let's go back to what you have to do today. So, I'm explaining here in the direction that the past 2 weeks, you learned to conjugate verb aller and to use it with preposition a. And you also learn verbe faire and to use it with preposition de when you want to talk about the sport you are doing. Aujourd'hui donc, today you are going to learn another use of verb aller, and in French, I made a mistake here. I'm glad that I'm reading in French. In French, we use the verb aller plus another verb at the infinitive. You know, so whatever verb you know. It can be aller itself. Par exemple, je vais aller à la bibliothèque. I'm going to go to the library. It sounds weird, but you can say that. Let's do this. Vous pouvez dire je vais, ou bien Paul, to avoid always talking about myself. Paul va aller à la bibliothèque. So now you know a lot of vocabulary. Because you know the vocabulary, please use it. Don't forget your vocabulary. The only way not to forget your vocabulary is to use it. Paul va aller à la bibliothèque. So you see that here you have two forms of verb aller. You have here the conjugated form, Paul va, and the infinitive form, aller à la bibliothèque. Paul is going to go to the library. And you can say Paul intends to go to the library, but it's more Paul is going to go to the library. Okay? So you know how to use à la. You know how to use O if it was Paul va aller au cinéma. Aller au cinéma. Paul va aller au cinéma. So you see that here you have what the aller plus a, another form of a. And you remember that you saw verbe faire. If I say mes parents vont faire du golf. So you see that here you have faire, and you know the meaning of faire du golf, n'est-ce pas? You know it because we saw it. Mes parents vont faire du golf. That means that my parents are going to play golf. Okay? So you see that now with faire, with du, you can express what kind of sport you are doing, you are going to do. So that means that you can express yourself what you want to do in the future. D'accord? So let's go back to my page here. So we are going to do in the near future. So you have here, that's what you are going to learn today. Exemple, je vous donne un exemple. Après le cours de français, je vais regarder un film. After French class, I'm going to watch a movie. And I say a movie, my goodness. There's so many mistakes here. So, and you watch the following video to have a better understanding of how the future approach is formed and used. Then you will do the activity on the worksheet. So here it's a very nice video, again, short, but right to the point. And you can watch the video several times to make sure that you understand. D'accord? So the worksheet is right here. You can click on it. It will also be attached with the unified classroom assignment page. So, and then once you are done, you have your exit ticket as usual. And this afternoon from 3 to 4 p.m. you have tutorial. Voilà pour la journée. J'espère que vous avez bien compris. et je vous souhaite bon courage et à très bientôt.